Hi, my name's Raemers and this is my top 7 YouTube clips ever. Louis Barletta in Tilt Mode Army Man Down is my first favourite because he just looks like he's having fun and it's amazing. Check it out. Self-knockout is funny because it's in a foreign country and they've got a log, this man's swinging a log and he knocks himself out, and it's not like he knocks himself bad, it's just actually really funny and yeah, it's good. Luckiest People on Earth is one of my favourites because some of the stuff that people get away with is ridiculous. Like, people should be getting destroyed, but getting away with it is crazy. I'm all in clover. Bloopers, birds attacking people. I really like that one because I really like birds, and when they're attacking people it's just hilarious, basically. Old man falls up elevator because he doesn't hurt himself, he just like slips over at the bottom and it's like laying down and gets taken up the elevator really slowly. So funny. The worst Kung Fu auditions ever because I can't even explain it, it's too funny, you need to watch it. It's basically one of the funniest videos I've ever seen in my life.
Hey! 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 I never lose!
Drunk people compilation because I just don't understand how people get so drunk. Like, surely you hit a limit, but there seems to be no limit. They get as drunk as they possibly can. Like, you should check it out.